Hello ladies and gents, Dave Murden from Oak Tree Motorhomes here. Just going to take you around this lovely black T5 that we're looking at here. As you can see, we've got quite a few options in the Campervan range there in this row. It's got the nice alloy wheels, but it's also got 4 brand new Michelin tyres on it. You can see we've got the chrome bars down the side, makes it look really nice, especially against the black chrome mirror covers as well. You see it's the hard top high roof, so you don't have to pop it up and you can stand up in this one, no problem. We'll have a look in the back first, because there's a little bit of storage space in the back. And just have a quick look at that. So you can fill the onboard water tank up there. That's where you access your toilet cassette, and that little cupboard there, and then in the middle you can see we've got the table. But there's a nice little bit of storage space in the back here, and that's behind the washroom, which a lot of these style of vans, the T5s, don't have any wash facilities really at all. But this one's got a proper washroom. So like I showed you on the outside, it is the high roof. So you've got some nice LED lights up in the roof. So you can stand up really comfortably in here. You can see we've got the wet room style washroom, very rare in one of these motorhomes. So you've got your proper cassette toilet there, nice big wash basin, and then obviously we've got the shower head up there. And then this motorhome does have hot and cold water as well, because obviously you won't want a cold shower. See, we've got a nice tidy sink there, got your little fridge underneath, and then to the left hand side we've got this Webasto diesel hob, very expensive unit, excellent for off-grid cooking, no need to have gas bottles. All of the heating, the hot water, and obviously the cooking in this motorhome runs off diesel, so as long as you've got diesel in your tank, you're good to go. You can see that we've got these bench seat on the right hand side and this seat on the left. These all pull together to make a large double bed. See the table socket in the middle for the table I showed you in the back. This seat on the left's got a seat belt, and then obviously the 2 cab seats. So you've got 3 properly belted seat belts in here. It's got a nice modern CBE control unit in here, so it's all CBE electronics. You see we've got a nice large storage cupboard over the cab. It's nice and tidy in the cab. The seats are in really good condition. The leather's not really showing any signs of wear. Cab plastic's the same. It's all been well looked after. It's not all been scuffed up. I don't think it was a builder's van ever. You know, I think it's always been a camper van, always been really well looked after. Got a nice head unit in the middle that will connect up to your phone. And this base vehicle does have the air conditioning in the cab as well. So it's a really nice little van conversion. If you're looking for something that's going to work really well off grid and have all the mod cons, like a proper washroom with a shower, with hot and cold water, and this might be one for you to have a look at. So if you do want any more details on this one, just give us a call on 01159 303 140, and any of our sales team will be happy to help. Thanks very much for your time.